There are heightened concerns that many communities in Jamaica could soon become unlivable as climate change continues to create more intense weather events. As a result, Environment Minister Matthew Samuda says it will be difficult for insurance companies and other financial institutions to support certain real estate developments. We have the details in this report.
Hurricane Melissa was a true test to Jamaica's infrastructure, and it is clear some developments simply cannot withstand a Category 5 hurricane. With more intense weather events projected in the future, this declaration from Environment Minister Matthew Samuda at a climate change forum on Monday.
Many areas are going to become unlivable because insurance premiums are going to outstrip the capacity of mortgagors to support real estate development. We're already seeing that in developed countries. South Florida is not what it was 10 years ago, and certainly won't be what it is today in 10 years at the current rate.
He explained that coastal communities in Jamaica are especially at risk, and insurance premiums have continued to climb. And as such, some areas could also become uninsurable.
Resilience isn't just going to be thicker cement walls and slab roofs or restoration of 1,000 hectares of mangroves that we foolishly degraded. It's going to have to be also the financial tools to be able to prepare for a very different world. And insurance is going to be at the heart of that. It's why the government, I think in 2013, with CRIF, would have put in place particular coverage at a time where we really didn't have much fiscal space. It's why the administration now would have put in place what we had with the catastrophe bond.
However, he said the catastrophe bond is not nearly enough and more support is needed for developing countries like Jamaica. He also explained that the Loss and Damage Fund, a financial tool activated by the United Nations at the Climate Change Conference in 2023, is not specifically designed to collect insurance premiums.
The Loss and Damage Fund is more of a reparatory mechanism by the large polluters, the large emitters, who have acknowledged under the Paris Agreement from 2015 that there had to be a mechanism that simply said those who lost get help, whether or not they were able to pay insurance premiums. Insurance premiums, I think, in many ways are like the middle income curse that nations like Jamaica face.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.